I got this for you.
Oh, Cherry, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Today, we're going to create something new, amazing, and truly fantastic. As you can see on this page, some videos have 19.3 million views, others have 16.1 million, and many are getting views in the millions, 3.2 million, 7.8 million, and even 41 million or 41.8 million views and 26.1 million views. You can clearly see how viral these videos are. And the best part is, you can create similar videos very easily. The most important thing is that you can do all of this completely for free, no charges at all. Now the question is, since Grok is no longer free and has become paid, how can we still create these videos for free? Which two websites can we use? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can use two powerful websites to create AI videos like these for free and go viral in just a few days. Right now, this style of AI videos is trending a lot, and you can easily recreate this same style. Make sure to watch the video till the end because every part is important. I've explained step by step how you can create Reels daily for free. No credits, no money required at all. Just like this channel went viral, you can do the same easily. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, you need to open ChatGPT, and after that, I will give you the prompts. You just have to copy them. After copying, paste them, and I will also give you another line that you need to paste below. Then you need to write, "Sure, send me 3 prompts first so I can match the exact style, tone, and structure." Then I'll create 4 new prompts based on the same style. Once you write this, ChatGPT will generate more prompts for you. As you can see, it can create 5, 6, 7, even 8 prompts very easily, and they will be high quality and well structured. Now, for creating images, open Leonardo.ai or click on Image. It's a very good website for generating images. After opening it, paste the prompt there. First, select the size. I usually choose 9:16 for Reels. Then select the model Phoenix 1.0, recommended. After that, copy and paste the prompts one by one. Once you paste them, images will be generated. As you can see, the images are very high quality and impressive. If you don't like the first image, you can choose another one. Keep testing different prompts and select the best result according to your preference. Then download the best images. I will paste the prompts one by one, and you can see how good each prompt is. Now the images have been created in this style. You can see that all the images are ready. All the images are very beautiful, and you can clearly see how amazing they look. Now, for audio, you can use an AI text-to-speech generator. It's a very good tool to create voice easily. Open the website. If you can't find it, you can ask me in the comments and I'll share the link. After opening it, paste your text, the script you generated from ChatGPT. Select storytelling mode and choose a voice like Blaze or any good voice available. Then click on Generate Voice, and within a few seconds, your voice will be ready. You can listen and download it easily.
3D animated scene of a strawberry and a banana walking side by side on a peaceful beach during sunset.
Now we create AI videos. Digen.ai is an amazing website for creating AI videos. When you first sign up, it gives you around 300 credits, which you can use to create about 10 videos. After that, it continues to give you daily credits, so you can keep making AI videos easily. Right now, as you can see, I have more than 3,800 credits because my account has been active for many days. That's why I can create a lot of videos without any problem. One of the best benefits of Digen.ai is that even if you don't use it regularly, it still keeps adding daily credits automatically, just like it did in my account. So if you want to create a lot of AI videos, Digen.ai is a great platform for you. Now I will create AI videos on this platform. It is a very good website. First, I click on Create, then go to the Upload section and upload my image. After that, I paste the prompt for the first image and click on Generate, and the video starts creating. In the same way, I upload the second image, paste its prompt, and again click on Generate. The video creation starts just like that. It takes a little time, but you can create 2 videos at the same time on this platform. Usually, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes for a video to be ready. The second website where we will create AI videos is called Get Flow Labs. You can search for it and it will appear at the top. Open Flow Labs and click on Create Flow. After a few seconds, the dashboard will appear. This is a very powerful and amazing website for creating AI videos. Here, you just need to follow the steps one by one. As you proceed, you'll see that you have available credits, and it also shows that credits are refreshed daily. This means you can get new credits every day. When you go to New Project, you'll initially get around 150 credits, and after that, the platform continues to provide daily credits. Now click on New Project, then simply copy and paste your prompts one by one. As you paste the prompts, the platform will generate multiple videos at the same time. After a short while, your videos will be ready. As you can see, the results are very high quality in HD and look amazing. You can easily download the videos from there. So, by using these 2 websites, you can create AI videos easily and efficiently. For the final step, I will use CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is a very good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. Perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will import my video, add effects, and complete the editing. Now my video is ready, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to message me or leave a comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another method for you. Thanks for watching.